How you doing, Cali Crowd? Guys, I won't lie to you, when I started a YouTube channel about a year ago, I did not expect that hand care would be on my list of videos. But after a mountain of questions about how I deal with calluses as an issue, I had to address this one, and it is an important one, right? In reality, anything that limits our training to any extent is going to be frustrating. So today, I'm gonna go through exactly what I do to stay virtually callus-free despite training 4 to 5 times a week. So the first thing I want to take you through today is about prevention, and that's all to do with how you hold the bar. Prevention is better than cure, and how you hold the bar, parallettes, rings, whatever you're using is really important. Using my rings as an example, a lot of people grab them and let this meaty part of the hand on the underside of the knuckles get pinched. Step 1 to avoid calluses is about avoiding this pinching, which we can do by, rather than grabbing the bar palms first, we can slide our fingers across the surface, grip, and then slightly twist the hand so that the area of the hand that was getting pinched is now actually stretched. By doing this before we grab the bar or rings, you should know that this will also actually give you an improved grip strength, as well as there's less stuff between the part of your hand doing the work and the bar. But the best thing that I found in terms of looking after my hands actually came about 9 months into my calisthenics journey. As some of you may already know, I train on my bars in my garden for the most part. And during the British winter, sweaty calisthenics hands on cold steel do not make for a very good combination. But I found this hand cream by Garnier to be an absolute game changer. To be clear, this isn't a sponsored video. These guys haven't paid me to talk about this product, but it's a product that I use religiously, so I brought it into today's video. To tell you that this works is an absolute understatement. These are my hands today, again, despite training 4 to 5 times per week. I have never ever had a callus tear in my life, and since using this cream, I don't think I've ever once had pain in my hands due to calluses. I'll drop a link below if you want to get yourself some of this stuff to sort out your calluses. I cannot recommend it enough. I'll also mention that when I started training calisthenics, I trained with gloves for about the first 6 months. Now, I know how a lot of people feel about training with gloves in calisthenics, but looking back on it now, as a beginner, gloves did 2 things for me. Firstly, it kept me training without pain, and then secondly, because gloves take away from your ability to grip on the bar, when you take them off, you actually feel like your grip strength is significantly stronger, which gave me a huge appreciation of my own grip strength once I actually took the gloves off and started training without them. So that's something to consider if you're brand new to calisthenics. I'm actually really conscious in making this video that some people really love how callousy their hands are, and honestly, more power to you. In my opinion, past a certain point, calluses become a hindrance to performance, and that's what I do calisthenics for. So I would rather manage them rather than just let them grow until I've got a turtle shell on my hands. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's how I've stayed callus-free since 2019. Hashtag callus-free since 2019. But I want to know how you guys keep your hands in check. What do you guys do to prevent calluses yourselves? Let me know and join in the discussion in the comment section below. Today was a pretty strange video. Didn't expect to make this one. Drop a like on the video if you found it valuable to you, and I'll see you in the next one.